This journey begins with 2 large chicken breasts, halved. Sprinkle these with half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and some garlic powder to taste. Now heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Gently place the chicken in the skillet and allow it to cook for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Once it's golden and cooked thoroughly, remove the chicken and set it aside. Next, in the very same skillet, add the remaining tablespoon of olive oil, along with a dollop of butter. Throw in 8 ounces of thickly sliced mushrooms, cooking them until they're nicely browned. That's usually about 5 minutes. Now, stir in a quarter cup of sun-dried tomatoes chopped and drained, and a quarter cup of green onions, just the green parts chopped. Add in 3 cloves of minced garlic and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Now, pour in 1½ cups of heavy whipping cream, adding the remaining half teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Bring this delectable mix to a simmer. Reduce the heat to low and stir in half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Keep stirring until the cheese is melted and the sauce has thickened slightly. Next, add 2 cups of fresh spinach to the sauce and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until wilted. Finally, return the chicken to the skillet and spoon the sauce over it. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes to heat the chicken through. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if y'all would share my channel to your friends and family.